Namaste everyone and welcome back to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. In this video we are going to learn what is correct breathing. Most of us today are breathing incorrectly, utilizing a very small portion of our lungs. In this video we will understand what is correct breathing, because to make any correction we need to understand what we need to correct. So yeah, that is what we are going to cover in this video. Now, when we talk about correct breathing, there are two things which are important. First, utilizing the maximum of the lungs capacity. In today's time, we are mostly breathing through our chest, utilizing only the upper lobes of the lungs. The lower lobes are not utilized. That is why your therapist, your doctors are recommending you to practice belly breathing, so that you utilize the lower half, the lower lobes of the lungs. Now, because it is being recommended, it does not mean only belly breathing is important or healthy. For proper breathing, there has to be involvement of both. There has to be involvement of chest and belly. That's how you will utilize the whole of the lung capacity. And in correct breathing, you learn that only. You learn to practice both belly breathing and chest breathing. The second thing, pace of breathing. As said, because today's lifestyle has become very fast paced, to match that pace, our breathing has also become, fast paced. So this needs to slow down. We need to learn to breathe slow. Now, why slow breathing is important? Now, for that you need to understand what is happening when you breathe. When you breathe, there is an exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. You inhale oxygen and you release carbon dioxide. In other words, you inhale the life force energy and you release the toxins out from the body and mind. Now, this exchange is very important for the proper functioning of your body and your mental state. But when you breathe fast, what is happening? You are not allowing enough time for this exchange to happen efficiently. As a result, only small portion of the oxygen will be utilized and all of your toxins will not be released through the out breath with carbon dioxide. That is why it is important to slow down your breath. It has been observed that slow deep breathing leads to a healthy body and peaceful mind, whereas the fast irregular breathing leads to a stressful lifestyle with a very disturbed mindset. So choice is yours. What do you want? With that, I want to conclude saying that the correct breathing, meaning breathe slow, breathe deep, involve both chest and your belly. In my upcoming videos, I will teach you how you can check your breathing pattern and how you can improve it. So yeah, keep watching my videos. Thank you so much for watching this one. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.